I see the fairies.
Oh,
Oh, I think I was one.
take a look at yourself and let me know what you see.
I just know that I'm small, but I
You're
see
small.
like light purple
Hmm.
and I do have like a longer hair, but it's just like whimsical, like beautiful, whimsical.
Yeah.
Like we are nature, nature is us. Like we love nature,
Mhm.
nature loves us. And like it's just like the most beautiful, magical.
What do you have on for clothing?
It's like a light purple, kind of like nightgown dress thing. And I do
Oh,
have wings.
oh.
I'm like aware of other beings flying around.
Hmm.
And they're like my friends.
Are they like you? Do they look like you? Or are they different?
They look similar to me, yeah. But
Similar.
there's like girls and boys, I'm aware.
Okay.
It's just everything's shimmering and sparkling and magical
Yeah.
and like safe and fun. And like all my friends are here. It's awesome.
What do you do for fun?
We have like little parties.
You do?
Yeah, we have little parties. I think the fairies really like to have fun, and everyone likes to play jokes on each other.
Oh,
Yeah,
like what kind of a joke would you play on someone on another fair?
like hide and go seek, or
Oh,
like hiding something like they're looking for, or like
yeah.
popping out and like scaring them or something.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
It's almost like I know that there are humans, but I wish that they could feel the way that this feels, because then it's like they would never hurt the earth.